Whenever a holiday gift exchange puts you at the corner of need something to give and no time to waste, Walgreens is always close by. Here it's easy to pop in and out for quick gifts that are sure to please, like Lint Lindor truffles, Hallmark cards, gift cards, and more. Now with card, get up to $20 in Jingle Cash good on next week's purchase of $30 or more. Walgreens, at the corner of happy and healthy. See stores for restrictions and limitations. Start your day with the real fruits, real nuts, and delicious multigrains of Quaker Real Medleys. It's never been easier to enjoy a medley of great songs and flavors all at the same time. Watch Real Medleys Radio and keep your day moving with songs shared by listeners just like you. Quaker up.
Yeah. Yeah. This one is two. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, these students do not have detention today for 6th grade. Anaya, Brendan, and Otalia. Everybody else does. Because you have either a D or an F. Aww. I gave you a week. I tried. I did. That's all. Did you call me? No. No, I didn't know. Oh, please. I did. What do I always tell you if you have questions? I don't have questions. Oh, with the exception of you because you're new and you don't have any. So don't come in. Now, these are not set. So you need to get them in. I'll accept them. I might drop a couple points, but I'll accept them. As long as you don't wait until the last second to turn them in. Wednesday, I'll be putting new stuff in. I'll be putting in the Mesopotamia stuff and some more stuff for language. So, and then I'll give you until Sunday to get that caught up. But I would suggest you get everything in. In the Saturday. It wasn't language, Scott. It was social studies, the one you say you need. If I have a chance. My chapter 4 might be tomorrow morning.
Anaya, did you know that your Cambridge account is, your last name is misspelled? Yeah? You knew that? Okay.
Go from honey-do to honey-done. Give your list to George Brazil. Plumbing and electrical repairs are easy when the pros are on your side. We'll take care of that disposal, flickering lights, hot water, running toilet, tripping breakers, hard water, clanging pipe, or clogged drain. Relax this holiday season. Visit our website at georgebrazilservice.com to schedule and receive 50 $50 off your service. Some restrictions apply. Not to be combined with other offers.
Mm-hmm.
Did you find your breakfast?
I did, thank you.
I had to just make sure.
Yeah, Alex came in. I'm like, dude, you scared me. He's like, oh, okay. Thank you.
Sarah? Right? I still have to think about how I'm gonna do you guys. I might give you until tomorrow morning,
Nieto, can you come here for a minute, please?
8 o'clock tonight. Okay.
Hey, did you finish your captions? You didn't email it to me, did you? Okay. Can you double check? Can you try to put it in your folder, please? Because I just made one up for you.
I think I might give you guys until, yeah, tonight, until tonight, hopefully. Yeah, that's why it wasn't to leave you, it wasn't to take your time, it was to help you out. It's not a punishment, believe me. Unless it's to me. I lose lunch. Anybody else I missed? Leslie? Are you feeling better? Yeah. Chris got sick again, so he might go home.
Who?
Chris.
Oh.
No.
5th grade. Fifth grade.
Oh, got, not Scott.
5th grade. Oh, poor guy.
Yeah, Chris don't get
Okay.
it. I don't get it.
Let me see. Oh, wait. What? Oh. That says you don't have. Okay, wait. It's because I'm going in alphabetical order. I'm going to do it right now. But don't submit it, Nieto, until I, no, don't, guys, please don't email me your drops in a bucket, because I'm setting up your folders on Google Chrome or the Chrome Drive, you know what I'm talking about. And I want you guys to test it and see if you guys can get that in there. Okay, you're on a timer, right? You guys, there's still a timer for the drops in a bucket. So as soon as you're finished with that, sweetie. Okay, now try it. Oh, you did? Oh, cool. Yay.
Yay, I'm so happy.
Okay, so who just sent me their... Okay, so Christopher Scott. Okay, Anaya, I think I have yours set up, honey. Can you try it, please? Okay. Yes, can I want to have attention? What do you mean? I don't get it. I don't know. Like, how? I'm confused. Can you just explain, like, what you mean? Oh, okay. So, for those of you still working on your drops in the bucket, you have 10 minutes. Okay. If you are finished, try to look for your folder. Okay. You did? Okay, wait. Let me check. And Christopher Scott, I'm not there yet. Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, wait, but there's more. Dun, 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 dun. No way, did you finish?
Yeah.
Okay. I think yours is set up. Can you look for yours when you get back, please? Thanks. Your folder. Right in the Google Drive. Am I supposed to check? No, wait. Yeah, I knew that. Gosh.
I told you just a minute ago.
Yeah, don't judge me. You too. Wait. Okay, now how do I check your folder?
Refresh it.
What? Where is your... Oh.
Should just come as well.
I know. That's what I was thinking. Like,
Where does it show all your folders?
I don't know. Wait, here? Well, I don't know it either. No. Here?
I don't know where it's
Right here. Aquí.
at. Okay.
Or
There you go.
right here. Here.
Mm-hmm. Here you
It's so beautiful. This is so cool. Okay, now I can't read number 2. Really? I'm not lying.
go. Which one?
No, just number 2.
613.
Ugh, that's like breaking a code. I kid. No, I'm serious. Just number 2, I think. Wait, let me see. Yeah, look at this. What'd you do? Write it with your toe? Apparently, you think? Let's see if Miss Espinosa can read this. Negative. I cannot read that. Okay, just fix it. Thanks, sweetie.
Okay.
¿Qué pasó?
She's done with the jobs in the bucket.
Ooh. Oh, okay. You are? Good. Yeah. What she did?
She's doing good.
Okay.
She's really
Wait, I'm
Good.
confused which folder is which.
You know how
The one that has your name?
you know
Hamilton? Which one?
Both of them?
Because we have one for you, Lee.
Yeah.
You should put.
Oh,
Yeah.
and math.
Oh no, that one's mine.
Choo.
That's not like that. This one's mine. Yeah. I got it.
I don't know how to fix it. Wait, let me see. Can I see what you see? You know what I mean. I know. Can I see what you see?
You know how you made him a folder?
Yeah.
You can make a folder into that.
Oh. Oh, well.
But I could just click which one. This is my map.
But can't you rename it?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, you can. Rename.
Oh, you can rename it. Oh, so you guys, can you please rename your folders to math so that you know which? Because if I try to do it, that's gonna be like crazy. Okay.
And then I think it will pop out when they send it to you.
Okay.
Random math.
Yeah. So you guys, do me a favor. Let me finish this, mija. Oh, ¿qué necesitabas? That right here. Okay, where did I? Sure. Oh, did you rename it, Brandon or Nieto?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
There. This is
Yeah, I see yours. It came up. Oh, oops, sorry. There's your 10 minutes, folks. Okay. Just okay, that's fine. Sorry. Oh, okay. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was the alarm. Please, at this time, if you have not finished your drops in the bucket, you know to come back to that sometime during the day, but you really should have. And I'm going to ask you to please look for your folder. If you found your folder and submit, give me just a minute. If you found your folder and you were able to submit or turn in your drops in a bucket, what I'd like for you to do is go to your iTunes courses. Can you give me just a second? I'm almost done. I promise it won't take long. In your iTunes course, your objective for today is to decide which data would be relevant to an inquiry and collect and organize the data. You are to design and use a data collection sheet or questionnaire for a simple survey. This is under 6th grade math for today, December 2nd. If you can, please take about 5 minutes to literally read and review the handout reference sheet. So on your Chrome, your Google thingy? Yeah, not everyone has it yet. I'm sorry. That's what I was, so yeah, no, I think I'm halfway through the class. So yes, and then you can go after her, or you guys can decide who's going to go after her. Okay. So you're going to your handout or reference sheet. Please open that and read through it. And I want to give you guys about 5 minutes to do that, please. Yeah, you should have. It's a reference sheet. Yes, sir. You're fine.
I want to see that address. If this is good.
Oh.
Because I'm going to need to give you static IP address.
Mhm.
We give you static IP address. We're going to configure these machines.
Okay.
So that you can make sure you're hanging on.
Do I need to move?
Yes,
Okay.
like I said, this one. Okay, let's see what we got.
Okay, so the reference sheet you should be reading, the title is Planning and Collecting Data. Is everyone able to get it? Yes? Good. So as I come around, please show me that. Okay, read it, please. Good.
Just give me 192, 136. Okay, what we're going to do is
This one. Yeah. Yes.
Do we actually do this?
No, you're reading it. It's a reference. It's showing you. I know, but it's just showing you, right? An example. Oh, okay. Um, How much is it for the premium? Does it cost? Go through that thing. Go ask KJ to ask KJ what you should do. I'll be curious to see what he says. He's right next to her.
If you're running around in the corner of don't forget stocking stuffers and don't have time to shop, don't worry. Walgreens is always nearby, so it's easy to get in and out whenever you need to pick up stocking stuffers. From Hershey's Kisses chocolates to gift cards, toys, beauty, and more. Now with card, get up to $20 in Jingle Cash with our next week's purchase of $30 or more. Walgreens, at the corner of happy and healthy. See stores for restrictions and limitations.
What can I do when you finish it?
Give me a minute. Did everyone else get a chance to finish reading it? So for those of you who did get a chance to finish reading it, what is data, Scott?
Data?
Yeah.
It's like information of a certain subject.
Okay. What's another keyword that could be added to information? Stephanie? Sarah, you want to help her out?
It's a collection.
That was the keyword, collection, right? It's a collection of information. That's what data is, right? Okay. So if I can just reiterate what it says, many people work in jobs for which they need to collect information. Now you're not working yet, but are you in a position to collect information or data?
Yeah.
Sure, right? And you're taking a what?
Test.
Okay, if you wanted to know what was the 6th grade class favorite lunch, how would you go about doing that? Is that up?
You would make a chart or note or do notes.
Okay. What's another word you can use for collecting this information? What was that experiment that you would see? Yes, or that process.
You can ask the class. You could set up an option, and then you could ask them.
Like set up a survey.
Yeah, that'd be okay.
Okay, so here it says, for example, companies need to collect information from customers to see how they improve their products or services. Doctors and nurses need to collect information to see how their patients are improving after taking certain medications. So how many of you have ever heard of your parents maybe getting some kind of medicine from the doctors and it didn't work well, and they had to go back to the doctor's office and try something else, right? That's also part of collecting this type of information or data. Oh, you did? Yes.
Students have to when they're doing reports.
Absolutely. I mean, the places and the type of environments or jobs where people take all kinds of information to collect data. It's from police officers to teachers, to IT guys or personnel, to construction workers. You have to, figure out, oh, we're going to build a big fence around, the parking lot. How much, how much materials do we need? And then they have to collect the data to figure that out, right? So the sky's the limit with that. Bus drivers, they would have to see how many kids do we pick up at this bus stop as opposed to the other bus stop, and do we still need to, go to both bus stops, or we just do one big pickup? They would decide that by collecting data, okay? So here it goes on to say, a scientist may carry out an experiment and use the results from the experiment to prove a new theory. They may be testing new medicines to see if they work. They may be testing new light bulbs to see if they last longer, right? You want to know which, maybe like with the gum. Well, not that you guys are supposed to chew gum, but, people, typically your age group, they want to know which gum is the best one to buy because the flavor lasts longer, right? And if you find one that's better than the other, aren't you going to tell that to your friend? Like, hey, this gum's really good because that's longer. And you go, no. Whatever they are testing, they are collecting information or data. When you go on holiday, you may be asked to complete a questionnaire at the end of it. The holiday company likes to know what you thought about the services they provided. Has anyone ever stayed in a hotel when they were traveling with their parents? Sometimes they'll ask your parents to fill out a quick survey. How was the housekeeping? How were the towels? Was the bathroom clean? Were the bed linens, clean? Or, they're collecting data to make sure that everyone is providing quality service. It goes on to say, if everyone thought the hotel food was poor, then the hotel management needs to know that they can talk to their chef. If everyone thought the cleanliness of the room was excellent, then the hotel manager needs to thank the cleaners for doing a great job. Any data they collect will help them improve their services. Now at the bottom, they just showed you a table where it says, please tick one box for each question. Instead of saying check mark or okay next, and in Europe they say tick. So let's just go over the three questions. What did you think of the hotel facilities? This is something your parents or you and your parents can fill out. What did you think of the hotel food? What did you think of the cleanliness of your room? So again, this was an example or a sample of one way of collecting data through a survey. Okay? What happened? Oh my goodness. That's not good. A company that makes a product such as shoes needs to collect information on the shoes that they sell. They need to know what sizes, colors, and styles are the most popular, so they know which ones to produce the most of, right? It's not very sensible if they make more size 39 shoes than any other if most of the customers want a size 36. Whatever data they collect will help them decide which products are selling well and which aren't. Well, that makes sense, right? Okay. If a sweatshirt is selling more, that's a Tommy Hilfiger, than a Hello Kitty one, or the Nike, then they know they need to make more of those sweatshirts. Right? Okay, so then, just to for today, so if everyone can please go to their iTunes course, and under your reference sheet, there's another worksheet. I'm going to ask you to please open that one, and it is the one before that. And it is, yes, planning to collect data. Please take literally 1 minute to read the first paragraph because it also reviews what primary data is and secondary data. Okay, can you please do that right now? Do that really quick, and then you. Oh, and the word example. Okay. If you've already read it, then please feel free. If you don't have any questions, go ahead and start on exercise.
Alright, so we got there 21. And then 21, and we just got to Thank you very much.
Do we answer 6?
Yes. So then that at the bottom, that's going to start your assignment. And then on the next page, it's going to start from 2 to 7. Okay?
Do you answer
No.
that one or that one, or you just circle it?
No, none of the above. Because this one was just giving you an example. Aquí te están, and here's they're telling you the answers, but they're kind of giving you a reason as to why they chose that.
Oh.
Right? So this is where you actually start the problem. Okay? Mm-hmm.
Do we need to answer these
No,
questions?
no.
Okay.
No, the worked example, it's just showing you, again, an example of some questions, and then under it, it's showing you how they answered those questions, and then the reason as to why. You know, the rationale, the justification. Where you're actually going to start your assignment is where it says exercise 6.1. Okay? I hope that helped some clarification. Hmm? You?
So in case.
Does everyone have access to be able to download Sketch?
Does everyone have the App Store?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm sorry. Can I please ask everyone to pause where you're at and do me a favor, go to the App Store and download Sketch. Okay, if you don't have it, please download it. Yes. Okay, let me see yours, mijita, porfa. No,
Nikita
Natalie.
is a girl. Nikito is a boy. No,
This is the key thing to remember about Spanish. Girl, oh, boy.
got it. A is for girl and O is for boy. Sketch.
Okay. Is it because it was temporary or?
Sketch. SKITCH.
It's
Sketch.
better than good
Just on yours?
Okay, I got it.
¿Por qué? There you do. Why? Oh shoot. So then that means that go ask her then if she can upload it. Sketch. If you already have it, just make sure you work on your assignments on that, like to fill it in, because Evernote is you have to now pay if you're going to like complete your worksheet on it, and obviously we can't. You could still use your Evernote just to solely write notes in it, but to complete an assignment, you'll have to do it through Sketch. Okay? Yes. If you can, that's great, but if not, just in case, then you might have to switch over to Sketch. So you could use it until it'll allow you to.
You can on this. If you log into your Evernote, you'll have all your data.
Okay.
This is Evernote.
Oh, so
It
then.
still works, but
Oh,
you
okay.
just have all your data.
Okay. Okay.
So when I do this worksheet on Sketch,
Yes.
but I still got Evernote.
Okay. Yeah, so they're kind of like two in one. So if you do it in Sketch, it'll be saved in your Evernote. Sure.
So when you go home, taking your AirPod, do you use the wireless or do you plug in?
Wireless.
Okay, perfect. So as long as you know to go back to wireless at home. If you ever try to go wired on that, it's not gonna work.
Okay.
Because we had to give you a manual IP address on the wired side. the AC goes wireless.
Okay.
So, so for
Oh, Jesus! It's, you know what? It's on. No. Mm-hmm.
On sketch, what do we call it?
Markup is now available via the, so right there. See if that'll work. I think. Okay, we'll do that. Did she get it on there?
She said to take it back there so she could take it off.
Oh, these?
yes.
Oh,
Thank you very
man. I
much.
thought I got a new car or something.
You want a Fiesta? I mean,
Okay. So, and we're looking for sketch. Okay. Ooh.
It's not there.
What's not there?
Never mind, I found it.
All right. And then she said to take it back to her? Okay, but llévaselo.
Okay.
I don't get it.
What?
Sketch.
Oh. You have to take a picture of it and then download it on Sketch?
You
No.
take a picture of it and then you go to Sketch and it shows all your photos and you get it.
Oh, okay. Did you guys hear that? I'm sorry. Scott, I don't know if that might help.
What?
So you want to take a picture of the document, upload it on Sketch?
Screenshot.
Yeah.
It tells you. Refresh your you have to go out of this and then
Yes, ma'am.
so you can just do it.
If you're doing a survey, which unit shown on the right would you use to measure? So, hi. Sorry. Can you scroll that down? Can you give me a minute, Mr. Hamilton? Let me. Can this scroll down? Oh. Not like this one, but probably like this. If you were doing a survey, which unit shown on the right would you use to measure? Would you use days? Well, you're looking at the time it takes for a person to run 100 meters. Which one of these units of measure would you use? Days? Kilograms? Okay, maybe hours, seconds. They're doing a race, right?
Yeah, but you don't know how long the race is.
100 meters.
Oh.
So you can either. So think about that, right? Which of these two would be a best fit for a measure for this one task? Okay. Now here it says the distance a person can cycle in 1 hour. Yeah, so you're going to pick which measurement is going to be best for that activity. The length of time a person sleeps at night. That one would be So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of these 8 choices, what would be the best unit to measure one person's length of time for sleep? You see how that works? So that's how you're going to complete this. Yes. So then that one might be what? Yes. Fabulous.
I know, right? I'm fabulous. I'm better. Yeah, right. I'm not. You're only jealous. I'm not no jelly.
Are we done? Because that's like
Off track.
totally. Just a little bit.
So how do we save this? Oh, take a picture of it. Oh, in the Google Drive.
I think you can actually go back.
Yeah, we'll open up in your drive.
And you go.
Yes.
What would you do just tomorrow?
Doing what? Tomorrow. Yes, but we're going to compile it in the use of a frequency table. Okay. Oh my gosh.
But for that OMG sister.
Nieto. Okay. I think everyone has their folder. Yay. So make sure you do. Better relax, kid. Calm down. Okay, zip it. Are you serious? Oh, there it is.
Do we have to circle like the?
No, you're gonna write it in.
Okay.
Mhm. Yeah. I did. Did you not receive the email yet? Yeah, check it, Mija. I think everyone has a folder, so if you haven't checked it already, please check to see if you got it. And then give me a thumbs up if you did.
Google Drive.
Did everyone get their folders?
Yeah.
How did you check your folder?
You go to share.
I got it.
Oh, maybe I didn't. No. I thought I shared with everyone. Maybe it didn't. Oh, let me try it again. Yeah. Ooh. Mm. Oh no. Yeah, here you are. Oh, I don't think I shared it. Sorry. Okay, let me do that. Share. Sorry. Okay. Jasmine, did you get yours? Erica? Yeah. Devaney? Mario? Edward? Naray, did you get yours? Scott or Chris? Did you get yours? Yeah. Donner?
Yeah.
Okay. Natalie? Yeah. Sean? Okay, I know Bingham got it. And everyone up here got, yay, score. All right. Well, we are well on our way. Well,
Did you just say good to Miss Espinosa?
she did. Oh, rude. No. I was going to say that, but I thought, not professional. I kid.
I like it both. I'm professional. Even in my hotness. Excuse me. Excuse me? Got me kidding. That's what I just said. You don't have any of that exist. There's none of that in
I'm sorry, where does that go?
Yes. Yeah, you're on camera. Yeah, totally.
There's jealousy in this class.
No, it's okay. You don't have to worry about that. It's non-existent in your bubble. Yeah, it's still non-existent in there. No, you're number one. No, yes.
Okay, I'll go.
Okay, and we're done. Getting back to the mic. Thank you for sharing.
You will.
Not really.
Did you say that? What's her jealous about?
Okay, let's be kind to one another. It is the holiday spirit.
If we celebrate.
If you celebrate, and if not, just because.
But is that really fun? I'm sorry, is that?
I don't know.
Yeah, but I said.
No, this is my Kindle Fire.
Yeah. Oh. iPad. So your Kindle's on fire?
Yes. Apparently, that's what I was told.
It is red.
Okay. So you have Donald, Brittany, Stein. Stephanie, why did she put them all caps? I know, like.
Mrs. Spinoza, I'm on the third part.
Oh, on your iTunes U? Okay, so there were 3 pages on collecting data. The first one was planning to collect data. Page 1 was number 1. On the second page, it was numbers 2 through 7. Once you're done with that, you are to continue with 6.2, which is collecting data. And it's giving you, again, some samples on how to gather or compile a questionnaire. And then on the second page, you will begin your exercise numbers 1 through 4. So if you can, continue with that collecting of data. And again, they're just showing you the different ways to go about collecting data.
Detailing your one-of-a-kind product offering.
Trifold, full-color, double-sided brochures,
As you grow your business
business cards, postcards, car magnets,
and your customer base.
design services, presentations, shipping,
So you go to the one place that has it all and prints it right.
staples.
And right now, save 50% on our best-selling signs and banners. Design online, pick up in store same day. See staples.com/same-day print for details. Staples, make more happen. And take the perfect holiday wrapped in blue. Discover breathtaking diamond jewelry and dazzling gifts, sure to make the holidays unforgettable. Visit Tiffany.com. Tiffany Store.
You can see them.
No, okay. No, they're just put the Ethernet. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, the core.
The cord, yeah.
Is this a 1%? An I. It's an I to 1. I know. Let me see. Why is it right there if it's not a 1?
Why is it gonna have
Wait,
I?
because those are eyes. You can see the dot.
Oh, they're not.
Can I show you what I do?
You guys are
Yes.
You guys are
I think you're the crazy one.
Oh, I am not crazy. Yes, you are.
You took it too far.
Can I tell you that?
I'm not having fun. I'm not having fun. Well, I did go, but it's not fun, okay? It's not fun. It's a torture.
Why is stress? School's better than our home.
It is. It is. I don't get it from my house.
Whoa, that's not me. That's not true. I can just show you how many cards
Who said it's not? I said it. I said it. I said it. They did it.
Some like which country has the highest amount of in the world? But you're actually working to get data to help you answer the following. So, would you collect primary data or secondary data to answer my question? So, then you collect primary or secondary?